Hi, would you mind telling me a little bit about the grand opening ribbon cutting here for the chamber and the license office?
Sure. My name is Dina Kryler. I'm the Executive Director for the St. Genevieve Chamber of Commerce. And welcome to our grand opening and our open house for the Chamber and the License Office. So if most of you don't know, the Chamber has had the License Office contract since 2020. And we used to be out across town, and then Chamber was downtown. So we merged recently into one building. We're now located at 296 Market Street. And basically, our open house and our open house and our grand opening today, ribbon cutting, is to celebrate the Chamber's new contract award for the license office. The state issued us a new contract for another 5 years, and we will have the license office until 2030. And then also too, to celebrate our brand new building. If you haven't been here before, when it was Rutler Hills Camp Law Office, we've done some renovation to it to make it our office, and we're just excited to showcase it and to take you on a little tour.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, are you ready? Everybody, on the count of 3.